How to change home page on Google Chrome. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about how you can customize home page if you want to set any other website or any other link as a home page. When you start when you open your Chrome browser, you want another website as a home page, you can make it and set as a home page. So I will show you how you can do this. So let's start with the video, guys. So before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. So you can see in my Chrome I have by default home page is Google search engine. So it is by default Google Chrome Google Chrome home page. So if you want to change it, if you want to set another one, you can change. So first we need to check whether your Chrome browser up to date or not. Just go to the three dot option, go to the help, go to the about Google Chrome, and just check whether it is up to date or not. If it is up to date, then okay. If it's just updated, so I need to relaunch. Just relaunch your Chrome browser and then open it if it is updating. Okay, if it is already updated, then it's okay. Just open the new tab. Now go to the three dot option right corner here, and go to the settings, and your right left side there is a option sidebar, and we need to go in on startup. So this is for startup setting. So there is a three option. Open the new tab. Okay, so when you start, it will be open the new tab. Okay, and continue with the where you left off. This will be continue your last season when you start open the Chrome browser. And there is an option called open the specific page, as I said, or set the page. So by default, as I said, told you, there is a by default Google Chrome Google search engine, but you can remove it and you can add the new page. If you want to set as a home page Facebook, you can set it. And if I open it, sorry, I have to remove this first, then it will be changed with the Facebook. Okay, so this is for startup, so I'm already start, so it will not work. But you have to remove this Chrome, or you can keep both. And when you start up open the Chrome browser, it will be open both tab. One tab is for Google, another tab was Facebook. So I just remove for me. Okay, this is a setting. You can have to just if you have another page in the home page, just edit or remove and add the another one which you want. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.